and check my outfit. I'm wearing a GK Network Services black pants and white shoes. And now we are preparing the previews to give for the TOPIK examiners. We're very excited. We just arrived at University of the Philippines, BGC Taguig. Annyeonghaseyo! So today we are in UP BGC Taguig to support our TOPIK examiners. So I have here fan. So if you will see in front, you will see Gimme, and at the back you will see the job openings. And aside of this, we will also give some free snacks to our TOPIK examiners. And that's one, of course, we have here a free merch to those candidates or examiners that will answer our questions. So in the inside the tote bag, you will have phone holder. So that's all.
Miss Karen, good morning. Miss Karen, is this your first time to take TOPIK? Yes.
Maybe. May ask lang po ako na first time niyo po ba mag-take TOPIK? Yes.
Hello. May I know your name po?
Hello, I'm Adrian.
Miss Adrian, I will ask some questions.
Sure po.
Thank you. Is it first time niyo po ba mag-take ng TOPIK?
No po, currently it's my third time na.
Bali yung sa before niyo pong tinake, okay lang po ba malaman kung anong level niyo?
Yung una and pangalawang take ko, level 1 pa lang, and hopefully this time level 2 na.
Good afternoon po, ma'am. Ano po yung pangalan niyo?
Ako po si Julina.
Hello po, Miss Junina. So, is this your first time taking TOPIK exam?
Oo, TOPIK. First time, TOPIK 1.
How was the feeling po of taking the TOPIK exam?
Una nakakakaba. Nakakakaba kasi first time ko. So, alam mo yon. Hi ma'am, ano pong name nyo?
Ann De La Rosa.
Miss Ann.
Miss
Ann. Is this your first time to take TOPIK po?
Hindi po.
Pang ilang times na po?
Pangalawa na po to. Last time, TOPIK 1. So, ngayon TOPIK na naman.
TOPIK 2 na po. What's your name?
My name is Luigi Martin P. Samson, but you can call me Luigi for sure.
Is this your first time taking TOPIK exam?
Yes, this is actually my first time. But I'm kind of afraid na this is my first time kasi nag-jump agad ako sa TOPIK 2 instead of TOPIK 1. Pero, laban.
Hi sir, what's your name?
My name is Jess.
Is this your first time to take TOPIK?
Actually, second ko na to. Yung una kong topic, tinake ko sa Korea.
Hi, what's your name po?
I'm Denise Margo Quintana, but you can call me Denise.
Okay, Miss Denise, is this your first time to take TOPIK?
Yes po.
This is your first time. How was
First
it?
time. It was easy.
It was easy. Okay.
Yes.
So, why did you choose to study Korean language other than Japanese Mandarin or other languages?
Kasi in our school, it is the only Korean language offered. So, yun, nag-take ako ng Korean and syempre as Korean parang gusto ko yung Korea. So, I want to at least know their culture, language, and everything about it.
And bakit yung pinili yung Korean language instead of Japanese?
Kasi po, yun lang po ang available sa aming school. Yeah, yun din po yung available sa aming school. And ito rin po yung reason ko ba't ko pinili yung Korean po is yung the way na kung paano ko naging maganda yung accent and it goes to your excel. And the more na inaaral ko na rin yung Philippines, mas na-adapt po namin without forgetting.
Did you choose Korean language instead of Japanese, Mandarin?
Actually po, bala ko kasi mag-work sa Korea if given a chance. Kaya dito pa lang sa Pilipinas, nag-aaral lang po talaga ako ng Korean.
May idea ka po ba na merong Korean jobs dito sa Philippines na nag-offer ng same amount sa Korea?
Actually wala. First time ko lang din nalaman yung sa inyo. And sinare lang kasi siya sa akin nung kaklase ko sa KCC, which is ayun yung school na pinapasokan namin for Korean language. language.
Why did you choose to study Korean language instead of Japanese, Mandarin, and other languages po?
Kasi tinry ko mag-aral ng iba yun lahat yun. Chinese, Japanese. Korean pinakamadali. Yes. Tsaka K-pop fan ako eh.
K-pop. Army?
Yeah. Yes. And sa lahat po ng languages, why did you choose Korean? We have Mandarin, we have Japanese. Why Korean?
Kasi mahilig ako sa Korean drama, Korean foods, tapos plano ko din kasing mag-work sa Korea. Pero, ayan. Tingnan mo na exam.
There are a lot of languages. We have Mandarin, Japanese. Why choose Korean language?
Hindi ko rin alam actually. Pero kasi yung the first time I was able to learn the Hangul or the letters itself, parang it was really easy for me to understand and learn the letters and how to read the letters. So tinuloy-tuloy ko na siya.
Okay, sir, why among all the languages, why did you choose to study Korean?
I've been studying Korean for almost 18 years na.
18 years? Is that self-study?
Self-study lang.
Wow.
Parang hobby ko lang siya. Hobby ko talaga yung linguistics eh. So, parang sa lahat ng languages na inaral ko, Korean yung pinakamadali.
Why among all the languages, why did you choose to study Korean language?
I got interested in Korean culture at an early age. That's why I decided to just continue studying Korean and ended up having it as my work.
So you're working using Korean language?
What made you interested in Korean language?
Everything. Kasi mahilig ako sa Korean. So, na-entice ako mag-aral ng Korean dahil gusto ko sila.
What made you interested in studying Korean language?
Nag-start my last grade 7. Kaya ngayon, sobrang po talaga ako interested sa Korean drama. Kaya ako, hindi ko talaga yung special program.
Ano po yung nag-interest sa inyo na mag-aral ng Korean language?
Of course, yung K-pop and K-dramas. Always naman, yun yung simula. Pero as time goes by, nakakakilala na ako ng mga Korean and nakukwento nila yung mga culture and yung tradition sila sa Korea. And nagiging interested na rin ako sa culture. And nakapunta na rin kasi ako sa Korea before. So, parang yun din yung nag-urge sa akin kung bakit gusto ko mag-work sa Korea.
Nasa heart mo na
Doon na po talaga.
What made you interested to study Korean?
Siyempre gusto ko rin makausap ng mga Korean dahil gusto ko makapag-work sa Korea. Gusto ko rin dapat fluent ako makipag-communicate sa mga Korean. So, ayun.
I understand.
Saka gusto ko rin pag manonood ako ng Korean drama, hindi ko na kailangan magbasa ng subtitle.
Wow.
Yes.
I think yan yung mga common reasons, no? Yung sa subtitle. What made you interested to study Korean?
Actually, I've been really wanting to study Korean because I'm really interested in the culture itself. Aside from the culture, the language, the music, and also, the Korean culture as a whole.
What made you interested?
I think yung K-Wave, way more than 10 years ago na, yung impact ng K-Wave, ramdam ko na eh. So, parang feeling ko in the near future, kakaroon siya ng impact, not only sa, yung learning sa language, saka opportunity din in the future.
I understand.
And that's why, kapag work din ako sa Korea for 6 years.
I see. Gano'n na po kayo katagal nag-aaral ng Korean language?
Mag-1 year na.
1 year na po? I see.
Self-study lang.
Self-study. So how long have you been studying Korean language?
Actually, I started learning the Korean language since 2019, but it's not very consistent. It's on and off. Parang kung ano lang maisipan ko, sige mag-study ako ulit, ganyan.
So it's self-study, not formal study po?
May formal study at the same time, may self-study.
And how long did you study Korean?
I studied Korean for about, I'm studying Korean for about 10 years now. More.
Is that self-study?
Half of it was self-study, and I officially enrolled in Korean Cultural Center last 2016 and 2021. So it was separate. So I have to had a recap in all of the lessons that I had in the first class, yeah.
And why did you take topic test?
Kailangan test sa school.
Okay. So, nila-require po siya ng school?
Hindi naman, kasi syempre as a teacher, you're teaching the students. Syempre, for you to be able to teach them properly, kailangan meron ka rin certificate na you're a topic certificate guarantee.
Why do you take for my family?
I see. So why would you like to upgrade your topic?
Ano din, for work opportunity. Kasi matagal ko na siyang nakikitang opportunity nasa bilingual.
Topic level 1 quiz, yung in-aim namin as 100 possible, pero we're aiming for level 2 as much as possible. Yes, 6.
Anong topic po yung tinake niyo?
Bali topic 1 pa din since medyo kinakabahan pa kasi yung mag-topic 2 dahil may writing and feel ko hindi pa ako ganun ka-confident. So, ini-aim ko muna this time yung level 2 naman.
Okay. So for our next question, ano po yung topic level na tinake nyo po?
Dapat talaga 2. Pero sabi nung co-teacher ko, mag-1 ka muna. Kaya, sige, go ko yung 1.
Para next year po 2 na ulit.
Yes. Right now po ba, are you using Korean at work?
Sa ngayon, dahil kauwi ko lang nung galing Korea last January. Ngayon, mag-upgrade ako ng topic level. Na last December, nakapasa ako ng topic IPT level 3.
Wow.
Tapos, ngayon, ini-aim ko na at least level 4 or 5.
And do you know how much po yung salary ng Korean speaker in the Philippines?
Walang idea.
I see. Okay po. So, usually po, Korean speaker can earn 30,000 up to 150,000 here in the Philippines. So, depending on your qualification and your proficiency.
Yes.
May idea po ba kayo kung magkano yung salary natin? Since wala mo yung idea about salary ng Korean bilingual, actually it is starting from 60,000 up to 100,000. Depending on
May idea ka po ba kung magkano yung salary as a Korean bilingual dito sa Philippines?
Wala akong idea actually.
For your the salary of bilingual dito sa Philippines is ranging from 70,000 up to 100,000. So yung mga nag-aaral po ng Korean language, minsan po hindi na po sila nagko-Korea, ganun. Mas pinipili po nila mag-work dito sa Philippines para din po hindi sila mawalay sa mga family nila. So for my, meron po ba kayong idea if how much is the salary of Korean speakers here in the Philippines?
Wala akong idea eh.
Okay. So to give you some idea, if you are a Korean bilingual po, you can earn from 60,000 to 100,000 po.
Talaga ba?
Yes. So if you are interested po, please apply in our office.
And if you will be working here in the Philippines, do you know how much is the salary for Korean speakers like you?
Siguro yung idea ko mga nasa 100K, if I'm not mistaken. Tama ba?
And how much is your expected salary if you will be working po here in the Philippines? as a
Siyempre
Korean
yung maximum, 100K.
Are you aware po of the job openings for Korean speakers here in the Philippines?
Yes, actually, I've been searching a lot of job openings or Korean job openings here in the Philippines. So I kind of have an idea sa mga job openings.
How much po kaya yung salary pag marunong ka mag-Korean here in the Philippines?
The range would be approximately 60 to 100,000 pesos.
And how much is your expected salary?
Siyempre, doon na tayo sa maximum. Oo, sa 100K na agad.
Ayan, din niyo po, magkano ang salary pag ang Filipino marunong mag-Korean and mag-work siya sa Philippines?
I think pinakamababa na yung 70.
Exact. And pinakamataas po?
Around 100 to 120
And how much is your expected salary?
sa akin. Siguro ka-level na sahod ko sa Korea.
I understand
Ganun.
po. I understand. If you speak Korean language in the Philippines, how much is the normal salary?
I would say you'll get around 70,000 pesos. But if you have more experience in such industry, I think you'll get around 90 or even more.
So, are you planning to work here in the Philippines or in Korea po?
Siyempre, if I will be given a chance na mag-work dito na lang. Kasi at least nasa Philippines ka lang, tapos you're earning 100K. So, tapos kasama pa yung family, and then magka-travel na lang sa Korea if ever.
Okay. So, do you have plans of going to Korea to work or here in the Philippines?
First, siguro dito muna sa Philippines. But if I were given a chance to work in Korea, syempre, why not accept the opportunity?
And do you have plans to go back to Korea or just work in
Wala na. Retired na OFW na.
So, why would you like to work in the Philippines now?
Dahil kakakasal ko lang. So, mas prefer ko na dito na magstay with my family.
I understand. Do you think
The
marami
future
po
na rin.
po bang opportunities na Korean-speaking position?
Oo, until now. Unlike 10 years before na nag-try ako mag-apply ng bilingual, talaga struggling pa ako nun eh. Ngayon, medyo meron nang na-boost na yung confidence after 10 years.
Are you planning to work in Korea or in the Philippines?
If there are better opportunities in Korea, why not?
I understand.
I'd love to.
Okay. Kinakabahan po ba kayo for your topic exam later?
Ngayon, hindi pa. Siguro pag naupo na ako sa exam.
Okay. And kinakabahan po ba kayo right now?
Yes, pero laban na.
Fighting.
Thank you so much, Miss Kai.
Kayo po ang pag-unlock sa exam. Thank you po.
Thank you po. Ayun po. Sige po. Ano po yung shoutout niyo po?
Hi! Hello sa mga ka-Jologs, Team Jologs. Yes.
Thank you so much po, ma'am.
Charot. Ako mga estudyante ko. Thank you so much po, Miss Anne. Thank you so much for your time po.
Kamsahamnida!
Thank you so much for your time, sir. Thank you very much.
May message pala ako sa mga mag-exam ng topic.
Yes.
Rashimazep, fighting!
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for that, Miss Denise. We really appreciate your time. Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
We have met the TOPIC examiners and gave them freebies from GK Network Services. We have seen their eagerness to dive into the beautiful language of Korea, embark on a quest to unravel the mysteries of Hangul, explore the rich tapestry of Korean history, and immerse in the vibrant world of Korean literature and art. We are very happy to cheer you on your progress on this language learning adventure. Thank you so much for joining us to support the TOPIC examiners. Until next time!
Can you speak Japanese, Mandarin, Korean, Spanish, German, French, Thai, or any European and Asian languages? If yes, then contact JK Network now. We are in need of 1,000 plus bilingual speakers and foreigners. Earn up to 200,000 pesos monthly. Call our friendly recruiters. What are you waiting for? Apply now.
JK Network.